Morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Love 500 and welcome back to the how-to series. Today is a request. Today we're going to show you how to turn off the seatbelt alarm on a Fiat 500. Quite easy. You need MultiECUScan to do it. If you've got MultiECUScan, it will take you 5 minutes. So let's get into it. Let's show you quickly how to do it. Okay, so the scenario is if you've got a bag of shopping sitting on that seat and you're driving along and your seatbelt, sometimes it'll do it all the time because it thinks there's a person sitting there and the seatbelt's not fastened, or sometimes it will move, the weight will shift about and it will stop and then it will start again. Very annoying. Other scenario is that your passenger gets in the car, you pull away before they've put the seatbelt on, and you get the annoying bong noise that keeps happening before your passengers even manage to get the seatbelt on. Hopefully it's not because you don't wear a seatbelt. Don't forget you'll be breaking the law and the passenger will be breaking the law as well. If they're an adult, they are responsible for putting their seatbelt on. If they are a child, you as the driver are responsible for putting the seatbelt on, and you will get fined if the police stop you. So I'm not condoning that you turning the alarm off because you don't put your seatbelt on. It's more really for that annoying noise when you've got a bag of shopping on there or something like that. So let's show you how we do it. So this is how you turn it off. We'll boot up Microsoft. We'll boot up MultiECUScan and show you quickly how to do it. Okay, so to do this, quick and easy, select your car, in this case a Fiat 500 1.2 8 valve. We come down to dashboard, not as I thought it was, body computer. We come to the dashboard, we come across to the instrument panel, and then we click on connect. It then tells us to connect the yellow adapter, which is already connected. Press Y. It will then connect to the ECU. Talk amongst yourselves while it's doing that. And then when we get that up, we want to go up to the top, which is F7, which is the adjustments tab. And over here on the left hand side, we can see activate seatbelt alarm, deactivate seatbelt alarm, and right odometer. So we want to deactivate. So you select deactivate. You then come down to execute. This is a safety function. You can turn it off at your own risk. Press Y to continue or N to abort. So we want to do it. So we'll say yes. In progress, completed. That's it. So that's it. A quick how-to. As I say, this car did allow me to do a proxy alignment. The only reason for that is because I've changed the stereo on this and I've got a non-Fiat stereo in this car. Therefore, and I hadn't done a proxy alignment to get rid of that error. I've done that now, so that error will be gone. But ordinarily, I don't believe that you have to do one. So I am going to now change it back for this car. This was just a demonstration to show you how to do it. So as I said, that was a quick video, how to deactivate or reactivate the seatbelt alarm. So when you've got a heavy bag of shopping or an annoying passenger that's not putting their seatbelt on, you don't get this noise. We don't like that noise. That's it. Thanks for watching. As always, if you're not a subscriber, subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up. If there's any particular how-tos that you want to see that I haven't got in the how-to series, have a scroll through, you'll see quite a lot. But if there's anything in particular you want me to do, and do a how-to series, let me know. Drop a message down here, or you can always email me at paul@love500.co.uk, or you can contact me on Instagram, love500salvage. That's it. Thanks for watching. As always, take care, stay safe, and we'll see you on the next one.